That is not supposed to look like that. Alright, hold on.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Jerry. Yeah, so I'm having an issue with my garbage disposal. I just wanted to know if you can let me know how to take it apart.
Okay, you see that little knob on the left? Just unscrew that, give it a good yank, it'll come right off.
Okay, alright, give me a sec. Okay, just like that. Oh. Yeah, that's not supposed to do that.
Yeah, I'll be right over. Sounds like you need some help.
No, it's okay. Actually, I think I'm just gonna call a professional. Who am I gonna call?
Looking for a professional to get the job done right? You want a professional even for the smaller jobs. From small jobs like garbage disposals to big jobs like repiping a whole house, we're here for you. We even have financing options. At Big B's Plumbing, we want to be your plumber for life.